Alright guys, welcome back to High Universal Court. Today I want us to talk about bumps. You see a lot of people, you see them with bumps under their neck, you see bumps on their side cheek, everywhere bumps, and you'll be wondering what causes these bumps. A lot of people think that it is clipper and whatever, or blade or shaving stick. Yes, I will tell us what causes these bumps and what you need to do to make all these things not to appear on your neck or any side of your face. Understand? So today, what is this bumps? Bumps is a disease, but a lot of us don't know. You think that you go to a barber shop after cutting your hair, you start developing bumps. No. Some bumps, all these things come from inside. I have a customer that have bumps. I gave him one product to use. And I have another customer that have bumps. I gave him one product to use. Both of them use the product. And the product worked for the other person. I did not work for the other person. And the person was like, why? And I started educating him that our system differs. Your skin differs from mine. Understand? So later I told the man that he should go and buy antibiotics and take antibiotics. That is sometimes we need to take antibiotics because all this thing that happen to us is coming from the inside, your blood. Understand? Now, another thing too, clipper also causes bumps, yes, but it's not 100%. There are some people you go to their salon after they barb someone hair, they will not treat the clipper, they will not sterilize the clipper very well, they will just use it on you too. You know, all these communicable diseases is very it's easy to contact, right? So there are some places you go, like now you see somebody that the person has dandruff or the person has bumps, and after shaving the person you see blood all over. Instead of the barber to use sterilizer to sterilize it very well, the barber will just do anyhow, just brush it off, use brush and clean the surface of the blade and start up. No, it's not good. So let the barber, sometimes it come from clipper, understand, but the thing that causes it most is from your blood. It's from your blood. And try to discover how your skin is, because there are some people when they come to my salon, I'll be like, when did you start developing bumps? They'll be like, I don't know. When I look at it with my experiences, when I look at it, I'll be like, did you use shaving stick? They said, yeah. I said, don't use it again because your skin is different from another person's skin. So what works for you is what you go for. If clipper is what works for you, whenever you shave, you will not develop all those stuff. Continue using the clipper. Don't use shaving stick, because if you use shaving stick, it will bring those things out, because some people's skin is very soft. That's right. And if you look at it very well, when they're carving your hair, when they're shaping your hair, yeah, it will not pain you the way it will pain you here, because hair is softer than hair. That is why you need to be very careful when shaving under here. You need to be very careful. And so, what is this product that you can still use after you find out that you are having bumps? There are a lot of products, but the one I recommend for people that I know that have it, that they have used it and the thing worked for them, is what I'm going to recommend for us. And the product is called anti-spot, but you can still see it in the market, the right boss, depending on the person that did it. Understand? The person that produced this is his brand boss, but the business is anti-spot. It works very well, but skin differs. It might not work for your skin, it might work for another person's skin. So if it works for you, fine. If it not work for you, what next can you do? Now what you need to do is to make sure that you bathe very well. Use all this antiseptic soap to bathe, like Dettol, use it to bathe. And after bathing, don't rub anything harsh on that place. What I recommend for you to rub is powder, just white powder, just rub it and go to bed. Just wake up, you see how it's going to be. Understand? So most bumps you see is not literally caused by clippers. Sometimes it's come out from your blood. Understand? It's from your blood. That's why sometimes you need to take antibiotics once in a while. Understand? Take antibiotics to clean some any disease that is coming out.